Hey guys, and welcome back to Kelly's Garage. Excited again. This has been a couple of last videos of firsts. Last video we did was the bench build. That was our first build video, and this video is going to be our first unboxing. This is a firewood stand that we're going to be using in the backyard, and we're going to take all that firewood that you see stacked in the garage and moving that outside the house. So hope you enjoy this build. Hannah is back guest starring. And we did a really quick job of putting this together, teamwork, and it went by really quick. So one thing I like to do when unboxing anything and putting it together is I like to take everything out of the box, get rid of all that packing material, and then lay everything out with like parts, get all the nuts and bolts separated in their own piles. That way when you're going through each step, it's easy to find exactly what you're looking for.
You can tell that I was raised by my father because there I am counting all the parts too.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, despite popular belief, she was not raised by wolves. Can't tell you again how nice it was to be able to do this build on top of the bench that we just built. So just definitely making all these little projects that we're doing so much easier and enjoyable.
I would start by finger tightening before using the socket wrench, just so you all know.
Decided to change the camera angle here so you can actually see the workshop side of the garage versus the home catch-all side of the garage. Felt like we had a really good assembly line going on here. Hannah and I really made short work putting this firewood stand together.
If you've caught any of the garage cleanup series, just know that this project in particular has been really helpful because Dad was able to get most of that wood, actually all of that wood, out of the garage and clear up some space. So.
This is the moment where I decided that the workbench was actually a little bit too tall, having to reach up with our hands above our heads to finish this build. Definitely sealed the deal and led me to buy shorter casters, which I mentioned in the bench build. So if you haven't seen that, go check it out, and you'll see what made me come to that conclusion.
And if you haven't seen any of those garage cleanup videos, definitely go check out that series. I know more will be added soon, and my dad is awesome and he's doing a great job. While these bundles of wood are quackly appearing, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe, and that notification bell.
Definitely excited to have all that firewood out of the garage and reclaim some space. We think this firewood stand turned out really good. I will be adding the Amazon link into the description of this video if you're interested in getting something similar. Once again, just thanks for staying until the end, and we hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe and check out any of our other videos.